हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एब्सोल्यूट लर्निंग। लास्ट जो हम लोगों ने वीडियो इस चैनल में अपलोड किया था वो मैथ्स के बारे में था, क्लास 10 का। तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं क्लास 9 का एक साइंस का चैप्टर लेके शुरू करने के लिए। तो ये चैप्टर है आपको फर्स्ट चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री का, मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग। तो हम लोग यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ मैटर, what are their properties, what is their nature, etc. So number one, what is matter? जब हम देखते हैं अपनी सराउंडिंग में, हम लोग को बहुत सी चीज़ें दिखाई पड़ती है। पेड़ बोलो, पौधा बोलो, माउंटेन, water bodies, etc. Then different type of the substances, salt, sugar, cloth, all are different type of matter. तो essential condition matter का दो है. It must have mass. Mass is internal quantity of matter. So it must possess mass and it should occupy a volume in space. So if it satisfies these two things, that is it have mass and it occupy volume, then we can say that that is a matter. But suppose if we discuss about sound, light, they are not matter because they do not have volume. So to be matter, it must possess mass and volume. So this is important for our definition of matter. Next, what are the physical nature of matter? By observing some characteristic, we can say these are the some physical properties of this thing. So फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में क्या आएगा? मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पार्टिकल. सो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ substances material are around us. Suppose we will take some water here, water, and we will pour some sugar or salt inside it. So after some time we will see that the grain of sugar or salt is disappearing or mixes in the solution, or that is with water. So this material sugar or salt is made up of particle, and this particle goes inside the water and mixes with this to form a solution. That is, it will contain two matter, water and sugar or salt. So next is how small are these particular matter. तो पार्टिकल कितना छोटा होता है, ये देखने के लिए हम लोग एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं. सपोज वी विल टेक 4 beaker fill up of 100 ml water. We will put few grain of potassium permanganate. So after some time it will show pink color. Then we will take 10 ml from the first beaker and we will put it here. Then again we will see here the characteristic pink color of potassium permanganate. Here it is pink color. Again we will observe the pink color of the potassium permanganate in the second beaker, but the color of potassium permanganate from the first to second will be lighter. And if we continue it with another 10 ml, again 10 ml in all beaker, we will get the characteristic pink color of the material all the beaker, but the color will be lighter. It proved that the grain dissolve themselves to mix and give the color of the potassium permanganate. So we may say that the size of the grain is very small. So this is about the first and second point. Next we will discuss about characteristic of particle of matter. What are the characteristics of particle? Matter में क्या क्या character दिखाता है? Different type of particle. Particle of matter have space between them. All the particle, suppose this is a solid block. So there will be particle here. And we can see, हम लोगों को ये दिखाई पड़ेगा कि there are some space in between them. These are called intermolecular space. So particle of matter have space in between them. Next point is particle of matter are continuously moving. Suppose this is a particle. These are matter, these are particle. These particles are moving continuously inside the material, and these movement depend on the temperature. If we increase the temperature, the movement of the particle will be more. Already they possess kinetic energy, and if we add temperature to the material, the kinetic energy of the particle will be increased. Even after some time or after a stage, it may changes its state to solid to liquid because of the movement of the particle. And the last point we will discuss in our today's video is particle of matter attract each other. So suppose this is a solid material, this is a liquid material, this is a gaseous material. So these are particle of the matter. These are the particle of matter, and they have a attraction force in between the all the grains of the particle. This is also known as cohesive force. Due to this force, a solid, liquid or gas maintain their characteristic feature. In solid, the attraction power is more. In liquid, it is intermediate, and in gaseous, it is least. So these are some points which we have already discussed in very easy manner. And the first chapter of the science chemistry of class 9 will be covered in 3 small videos. So this is the first video, and in our consecutive second and third video I will cover the main important topics of this chapter. So please go through it and Please like and share my channel. If you are new, please subscribe my channel.